All right, today we're going to start reading this poem called Two Little Kittens. We're going to work on analyzing our poem again. By analyzing, we're going to try to visualize what the poem is saying by looking at specific words and how the author is describing certain scenes in those words. And so I went ahead and included a picture of two little kittens for you to start thinking about what this poem could possibly be about, if the kittens are going to play, if they're going to fight, if they're going to smile. So go ahead and take out your poetry packet for today. It's the very first poem on that packet, and I want you to go ahead and look at it while we read today. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to read it all the way through. Two little kittens in one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. The other hadn't have the mouse, said the little one. Before the storm, Froston's little kittens had with snow and as cold as stormy night to lie down and quarrel and fight. So what we're going to do is think about how stanzas are in each poem and how many stanzas are in this poem. So I see 1 stanzas. Each has 4 lines each. I know that because it has the white space in between each. In poetry, we have stanzas. Then the look at is the rhymes. So what I went ahead and did, I highlighted the ends of the words. And fight. I know those two words run and begun. I know those two words rhyme with the letter B. I want to see if you can finish the rhyme for the remainder of them. Does change. Same. Then it asks you to broom. I might write that. Or so go ahead and write down 2 words that rhyme. The poem follows A, B, B pattern, higher thing. Fight, A, broom, B, snow, and door and floor, B. My A, and fight, B. Then it says, the word seize mean? The old woman seized her broom. What do you think about if the old woman is seizing her sweeping? Maybe that she's like grabbing on. Okay, because it says she swept the 2 little kittens out of the room. Maybe the broom laying up against the wall or frame. So line that is repeated twice. And I'm going to read it again. 2 little kittens began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had none, and that's the way the quarrel begun. I'll have that mouse, cat. Your mouse will see it. I will have that mouse, said the eldest son. You can't have that mouse, said to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom, 2 kittens. The ground was covered with frost and snow, and so they lay man at the door while they're sweeping the floor. Then they crept in, all wet and cold as ice. They better than that stormy night to lie down and to quarrel. And I didn't really see any lines themselves, so I'm going to say a refrain. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you have a great day. I will see you soon. Be on your best behavior. Really focus on reading the next 2 poems and reading them again and really paying attention to what words mean.